developing biological weapons in Ukraine. State Department spokesman Ned Price. That is totally false. It is baseless. Our concern, however, is that these baseless accusations do point to potential plans on the part of Moscow. He said Russia may use biological or chemical weapons to justify its invasion of Ukraine. Mark Rimillard, ABC News.
With the My Social Security account, you can request a replacement security card, estimate your benefits, and more. Save time. Go online. Open a My Social Security account at ssa.gov/myaccount.
Salt Lake City. KSL News Radio, 102.7 FM, 1160. Following is a test. Emergency alert system. Ready for